Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add negative keywords in Performance Max. All right. It's actually pretty easy to do. So just go ahead and log into your ads account or at ads.google.com. And once done, go ahead over to your campaigns. Just click on campaigns. Now select your Performance Max campaign. Okay. Just click on campaigns right here. Then click on the Performance Max campaign. Click on it. And once done, go ahead over to Audiences, Keywords, and Content. Click on Keywords. Wait for it to load, and then here you can go ahead and click on Negative Keywords. All right, just click on plus sign. And here, just scroll down, and here we have the text box. Go ahead and enter your negative keywords in here. Click on it. Now, for example, I'm going to type in test 1, test 2. All right. And once that's done, just scroll down to find the save button. Okay. Click on it, wait for it to load. And once done, it says here your negative keywords were created. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.